Here's my DVD player. Got it out of someone's front yard trash pile during bulk pickup. But on Monday, I'm going to pick up a JVC 7-disc CD/DVD changer, which will be freaking awesome. They want $8 for it, but if they don't have the remote, it's free. I pay up to $40 for one. There's a $40 one. Anyway, I got a lot of DVDs, mostly music stuff, so I'll have a few of those in there. Probably Van Halen, Shelley Wright, Robert Cray, of course, and Dave Matthews Band, and some other ones. Here it is. Looks like it's right at the limit for fitting in there. Came with a cable. Look like the cables that Sony stuff came with. Energizer rechargeable batteries in there, but they're dead. Anyway, it's time to take a break and eat Joe's for lunch. Big Joe's Pizza. Here's the remote control. It could also control a TV. There's all the features. There's the model number of the remote. There's no Duracell freak show in here. Let's take the back off the remote. 2000 milliamp hour Energizer rechargeable batteries. And they haven't leaked, but they're dead. Too bad I don't have a charger. You're gonna focus and be stupid. Actually, maybe they did leak. Or batteries before them, I don't know. So let me get fresh ones. Kind of clean that up too. Get my poker tool. Kind of scratch at it. Okay, there we go. This is gonna be a 2-part video because there's a lot of quote-unquote BS in this video. I don't know if she was testing me or what. Took the batteries out of the Sony DVD player remote. So here we are, my batteries of choice for remote controls. Stupid Google AI thing told me alkaline was better for that, but these are good for low drain devices. So let's turn the light off and point it at the camera. They still work. Hell, I used the DVD player in the beginning clip that was recorded on Sunday. That looks nice. Now we're eating. That's awesome. I love my dot crawl. I hate my jackass brother. Don't we all? He's a douche for no reason. Okay, this is a problematic disc for no reason. So it might not read it. Maybe I just lit $8 on fire, figuratively. Okay, let's try this one. Let's press the exchange/disc skip button. That's how it goes to the tray on the bottom. Might need one of those cleaning discs. Just clean the laser manually. Now reading. Lights, camera, action. It's probably still not going to work. This is a good disc. A known good disc. Is this a junk very cheap video? Starting to look like it. Figured this all along. Just go buy that one in Arlington. A chrome one. Someone will probably go buy it now that I've shown it in the video. Not that I'm that powerful. Don't have a whole lot of viewers, which is nice because I don't have a whole lot of comments either. Come on. Oh. Oh. Yes. As soon as I published that short, like seconds ago, I said, oh, it's not working at the moment. Cool. I'll just say it's temperamental. That looked amazing on the chart. It is temperamental. Temperamental. What? English is so stupid. Yeah, there it is. Cool, it's working. It sounds really good through the speakers, since we've upgraded them. So now we have a 2-disc DVD changer. This is the Billy Joel one. The colors are amazing. I watched this after I looked it on my computer. I watched it on another computer. It didn't look that good. That's like popping. Seems shiny. Anyway, we'll do some more intro clips here. It's got a timeline too. William Martin Joel was born in the Bronx, New York on May 9th. The family moves to Levittown, section of Hickville on Long Island, where he spends his childhood and young adult years. I think Russ is from Levittown. I'm watching one of his videos right now. Okay, let's switch to disc 3. This is pretty baller for 2001. Top came off easy. Maybe this was made by Pioneer. They're made in Malaysia too, right? Some of them. Caps look good, which mean nothing. It's not that. It's not the issue. Unless it's those bastards right there. The one on the pickup assembly. Ooh, Lelin capacitors. Nippon Kimicon. Jamicon. We also have Samsung capacitors. So let's plug it in. Sometime I have good luck and I'll just wipe the lens off and it'll be fine. Doubt that'll happen. How come only 2 of these work? The problematic one I had was the Metallica disc. Wouldn't play in the PS2 even though the PS2 is a piece of crap. Why do they do that instead of having them straight up? Didn't do that last time, or with the thing on. What a pain in the ass. Gives up. That's the one that's going to work. It's the Billy Joel disc. So that one and that one. 2 and 5. Holy crap, it's working. No, we already know that one works. Stop. Belt looks good. Very good. Put a medical grade cotton swab because they don't fall apart when you use them, and wipe the lens off. So I guess we'll try that. Mechanism looks good with all the grease, and the belt you saw looks fine. A little bit loose, but still works. Might have to recap the pickup thing. Oh, it's got 2 lenses. Duh. Look fine, honestly.